Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, unfortunately, does not directly support PayPal for royalty payments. They require a direct bank account for deposits. This means you cannot simply link your PayPal account to receive your earnings. However, there is a straightforward two-step solution involving an intermediary service. This method ensures you can still access your KDP royalties and transfer them to your PayPal account with ease, making the process smooth and reliable for authors worldwide. To bridge the gap, you will need to set up an account with a service such as Payoneer or Wise. These platforms specialize in international payments and provide you with virtual bank accounts. For example, you might receive a United States dollar bank account, a euro account, or a British pound account. These virtual accounts come with unique routing and account numbers, just like a traditional bank. This crucial step allows you to receive payments from Amazon KDP, as if you had a local bank account in that region. Once your intermediary account is active and you have your virtual bank details, the next step is to add them to your Amazon KDP profile. Log into your KDP account and go to your account section, then find the payment settings. Here, you will input the virtual bank account details provided by your chosen service, such as Payoneer, for each relevant marketplace where you sell books. Double-check all the numbers, including the routing and account numbers, to ensure accuracy and prevent any payment delays. After setting up your virtual bank details on KDP, Amazon will deposit your royalty payments directly into that account. You will see these funds appear in your balance on your chosen intermediary platform, like Payoneer or Wise. From there, you can easily initiate a transfer of these funds to your PayPal account. This two-step process ensures that while KDP doesn't directly support PayPal, you can still efficiently receive your earnings and manage them through your preferred online payment service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.